Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Nature2 W28001 DuoClear Mineral Replacement Cartridge. The Zodiac Nature2 DuoClear Mineral Replacement Cartridge is designed for the Nature2 DuoClear, Nature2 Fusion, and Nature2 Fusion Soft chlorination systems. This mineral replacement cartridge sanitizes pools between 25,000 and 35,000 gallons. Its mineral bed technology integrates silver and copper to maintain a healthier swimming pool. The Nature2 DuoClear, Fusion and Fusion Soft systems are designed to produce low levels of chlorine that combine with mineral sanitation for soft and silky water. Using the Zodiac Nature2 DuoClear, Fusion and Fusion Soft systems will help reduce chemical use by up to 50% and less overall pool maintenance. Product benefits. No other system is this complete or easy to install, use and maintain. Nature2 DuoClear for in-ground pools are combination sanitizers that bring the benefits of Nature2 mineral technology together with either a chlorine tab feeder or automatic saltwater sanitizer. Together with the DuoClear cartridge, your Nature2 system automatically dispenses minerals for a more sparkling, clean, balanced pool. The Nature2 cartridge works in two ways. Inside the cartridge, a chemical process creates nascent oxygen from the water, which is a very strong oxidizer. It immediately and effectively kills bacteria and algae, but only inside the cartridge. This oxygen never gets into the pool. Useful tips. This Nature2 DuoClear 35 Mineral Replacement Cartridge, W28001 contains one replacement cartridge. The life of the Nature2 DuoClear Mineral Replacement Cartridge is 6 months. Nature2 DuoClear Mineral Replacement Cartridge goes into a system designed to be used only in ground swimming pool applications. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.